Solo lignata sign. A rooster with a solo lignata has a single, uninterrupted line of scales running down its leg. This clean, straight formation is believed to represent clarity, focus, and precision in battle. Symbolic meaning. One-track warrior. This rooster doesn't get distracted. It fights with purpose and retreats with calculation. Timing master. Known to strike only when the moment is perfect. No wasted energy, no random attacks. Focused spirit. The solo line reflects a fighter that's mentally locked in. Breeders say this sign shows a rooster that either wins fast or walks away untouched. In lore, Solo lignata is respected for its clean energy. No confusion, no hesitation, just pure timing and instinct. The cat eye. This sign brings luck and is one of the recognized virtues of a fighting rooster. The enemy's meaning of karsadahan or bastunan. It refers to a sign of continuous victory in cockfighting. The bastunan, the chicken's leg, is seen as a symbol of strength and luck. When a rooster wins 2, 3, or 4 fights in a row, and noticeable changes appear in its body, feathers, habits, or stance, this is considered a sign of fortune. Message of the text. The rooster's success is not only about skill but also about recognizing these physical and behavioral signs. Once these signs appear after consecutive wins, the advice is to entrust the rooster to another caretaker so that the streak of luck continues. In short, it emphasizes that luck in cockfighting can be preserved and passed on if the signs are respected and managed properly. So the picture is both symbolic and instructional. It teaches that victory and luck are tied to observing the rooster's condition and knowing when to let others handle it to keep the fortune flowing. These markings are traditional names for specific scale patterns on a gamefowl's legs, used by breeders and sabungaros cockfighting enthusiasts to identify, classify, and sometimes predict the fighting qualities or lineage of a bird. They don't have scientific meaning but are part of the cultural folklore of Sabang, where physical traits are given symbolic names and significance. Breakdown of the terms. 3 mysterious song diamonds. Number 1. Refers to 3 diamond-shaped scales aligned on the leg. Considered rare and often thought to symbolize strength or mystery power. Breeders sometimes associate this with stamina or toughness, though it's more tradition than science. Doble panning it. Number 2. Means double separator. This describes 2 distinct scale divisions or ridges that appear side by side. Enthusiasts may interpret this as a sign of agility or quickness in the pit. Crucend. Number 3. From cross. Indicates a cross-like marking on the leg scales. Symbolically linked to resilience or blessed luck in fights. Bracelet scale. Lakma. This is a particular scale formation found above the spurs on a rooster's leg. Comparison to other scales. It resembles other bracelet types like Anthene, Heaven's Blessing, and Fudia, Earth's Foundation, but its position is different. Belief in luck. In traditional cockfighting lore, This specific placement, above the spur, is considered unlucky. The idea is that roosters with this scale pattern are thought to bring misfortune, so they are avoided in bedding. Practical meaning. It doesn't affect the rooster's actual fighting ability in a biological sense. It's more of a superstitious marker used by breeders and gamblers when choosing which birds to back. So in short, the black maw bracelet scale is a leg feature that, according to cockfighting beliefs, signals bad luck and is avoided when selecting a rooster for competition. On the spurs there are 3 scales that merge into one large scale, ideally located near beside the spurs. This rooster has many fighting style and deliver deathly blows if the large scales has a small scale in its mouth called the big jade scale. This rooster is very talented and uses its spurs as far as an arrow.